Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doom 64 on your personal computer. First, understand that emulators are software programs that allow your PC to mimic a Nintendo 64 console. To begin, you'll need to acquire a Doom 64 ROM file, which is essentially the game itself in a digital format. Also, ensure your computer has at least 4 GB of RAM and a decent processor for the best experience. This foundational setup is crucial for a smooth gaming session. Now, let's talk about selecting the right emulator. Project 64 is an excellent choice for beginners, known for its user-friendly interface and ease of setup. It's a very popular option for playing Nintendo 64 titles. Alternatively, Mupen 64 Plus offers a more robust experience with greater control over various settings, appealing to those who enjoy fine-tuning their gameplay. Both emulators are completely free and can be found with a quick online search, giving you flexibility. Once you have your emulator, the next step is configuration. Simply open the emulator and load your Doom 64 ROM file. Most emulators have a clear file or open ROM option. Then, it's vital to set up your controls. You can map keyboard keys or connect a gamepad for an authentic feel. Don't forget to explore the video and audio settings. You can often improve graphics and sound quality significantly for a more immersive game. Finally, let's discuss enhancing your Doom 64 experience and troubleshooting. Many emulators allow you to install high-resolution texture packs, dramatically improving the game's visual fidelity. If you encounter any issues, such as graphical glitches or sound problems, consult online forums and communities. They are a fantastic resource for solutions. Don't hesitate to experiment with different video and audio plugin settings within your emulator to find the optimal balance for your system. Enjoy your game.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.